For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video to more easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. Starting a business on your own can be both exciting and challenging. With the rise of artificial intelligence, AI, launching and managing a solo business has become easier and more efficient than ever. AI can automate repetitive tasks, provide market insights, assist with marketing, and help you scale faster, all without needing a big team. Here's a comprehensive step-by-step guide to help you start a one-person business with the power of AI. Step 1. Identify your business idea and niche. Before you dive in, you need a clear business idea. Ask yourself, what am I passionate about or skilled at? What problems can I solve for people or businesses? Is there a market demand for this product or service? How AI helps. AI market research tools. Use AI-powered platforms like Answer the Public, Google Trends, or Exploding Topics to discover trending niches and consumer questions. Competitor analysis. AI tools like Crayon or SimilarWeb analyze competitor strategies and help you spot opportunities. Step 2. Validate your business idea. Validation ensures your idea has paying customers before investing too much time or money. How AI helps. Survey and feedback tools. Use AI-based survey tools like Typeform with AI integrations or SurveyMonkey Genius to create smart surveys that analyze responses for you. Chatbots for customer feedback. Implement AI chatbots, e.g., Drift, MiniChat, on landing pages to interact with visitors and gather real-time feedback. Social listening. Tools like Brand24 or Mention use AI to monitor online conversations about your niche to validate demand. Step 3. Define your unique selling proposition, USP. Clarify what makes your product or service different and why customers should buy from you. How AI helps. Copywriting AI. Use AI tools like ChatGPT, Jasper.ai, or Copy.ai to help craft compelling USPs and value propositions by generating multiple variations quickly. Sentiment analysis. AI tools can analyze customer reviews of competitors to identify gaps you can fill. Step 4. Create a business plan, lean and flexible. Even as a solo entrepreneur, a simple business plan helps map out your goals, target audience, revenue model, and marketing approach. How AI helps. Business plan generators. Use AI-powered business plan tools like LivePlan or InLoop that create customized plans based on your inputs. Financial forecasting. AI tools can project sales, expenses, and cash flow using historical data and market trends. Step 5. Set up your brand identity. Create a logo, brand colors, fonts, and tone of voice that resonate with your audience. How AI helps. Logo makers. Tools like Loka, Tailor Brands, or Canva's AI logo generator can design professional logos instantly. Branding assistants. AI platforms can suggest color palettes and fonts based on your industry and target customers. Content tone analyzers. AI tools help tailor your messaging to suit your brand voice, whether it's friendly, professional, or casual. Step 6. Build your online presence. For most one-person businesses, an online presence is essential. How AI helps. Website builders. Use AI-powered platforms like Wix, ADI, Bookmark, or Zyro that create personalized websites based on your answers. SEO optimization. Tools like Surfer SEO, ClearScope, or Phrase use AI to optimize your website content for search engines. AI chatbots. Integrate chatbots to handle customer queries 24/7 without needing extra help. Step 7. Develop your product or service. Depending on your business, this could mean manufacturing a product, creating digital goods, or preparing a service offering. How AI helps. Content creation. Use AI to generate ebooks, courses, blogs, or social media content. Tools like ChatGPT, Writesonic, or Canva help produce polished work quickly. Product design. AI-driven tools, e.g., Autodesk's AI features, can assist in designing physical products. Automation. For service-based businesses, automate scheduling, invoicing, and reminders with AI tools like Acuity Scheduling or Honeybook. Step 8. Price your offering. Price it competitively yet profitably. How AI helps. Dynamic pricing tools. AI pricing software like Presync or Wiser monitors market prices and suggests optimal pricing. Financial modeling. Use AI-driven financial models to test different pricing strategies and predict profit margins. Step 9. Market your business. Get the word out efficiently with AI. How AI helps. Social media management. Tools like Lately.ai, Buffer Analyze, or Hootsuite Insights use AI to schedule posts, analyze engagement, and optimize content timing. Email marketing. AI-powered platforms such as MailChimp, ActiveCampaign, or Sendinblue automate email sequences and personalize messaging. Ad campaigns. Use AI tools like AdX.ai or Facebook's automated ads to optimize ad spend and target your ideal customers. Content creation. Generate blogs, videos, or graphics with AI content generators and design tools to keep your marketing fresh. Step 10. Manage your finances. Keep track of income, expenses, and taxes. How AI helps. Bookkeeping. AI-driven accounting tools like QuickBooks, Xero, or FreshBooks automatically categorize transactions and prepare financial reports. Expense tracking. Apps with AI capabilities scan receipts and flag unusual spending. Tax preparation. AI tax software helps you file taxes accurately and identify deductions. Step 11. Automate routine tasks. Free up your time by automating repetitive work. How AI helps. Workflow automation. Use tools like Zapier, Integromat, Make, or Microsoft Power Automate to connect apps and automate tasks such as sending emails after sales, updating spreadsheets, or posting social media. Customer support. AI chatbots and help desk software handle FAQs, freeing you for complex inquiries. Scheduling. AI tools can automatically schedule appointments based on your availability. Step 12. Continuously analyze and improve. Use data to make smarter decisions and grow. How AI helps. Analytics. Platforms like Google Analytics enhanced with AI can uncover insights about your website visitors. Customer insights. Use AI CRM tools, e.g., HubSpot, Zoho CRM, to analyze customer behavior and predict trends. Performance tracking. AI can track marketing ROI, sales growth, and operational efficiency, guiding where to invest time and money next. Step 13. Scale when ready. Once your solo business is stable, AI can help you scale without huge overhead. How AI helps. Outsourcing. AI platforms like Fiverr AI or Upwork AI can help find freelance talent efficiently. Advanced automation. Use AI to manage inventory, supply chains, or complex customer interactions. Personalization. AI enables hyper-personalized marketing and product recommendations as your customer base grows. Final thoughts. Starting a one-person business is more achievable today than ever before, thanks to AI. By leveraging AI throughout your business, from idea validation and marketing to automation and financial management, you can operate lean, stay competitive, and scale sustainably. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.